Rolling down the highway with a 5-pack of gears, a fresh change of oil, and the filters are all clear. Driving down the road, I ain't looking for a fight. Couple old cameras and a few empty drives. I'm going out to shoot something in the morning light. If you see me coming, get your makeup on. I'm coming in hot with my favorite lens on. I'm out on a mission, I'm gonna shoot someone. It's a story we're telling, and usually it's fun. There's something about when I drop that van and drive. I'm headed out of town, I cross the county line, and suddenly all I've got is a story on my mind. Rolling through Texas, skies are clear again. Floods are gone. The road is open, my friends. Please! So I'm at HEB, and I heard about Epic bars, which are made here in town, and they make one that's pulled pork, which goes along with an idea that I have for a project. However, they don't have the pork when they do have chicken, bison, and beef, and it's not refrigerated, so it's all dry. It's pretty cool. I'm just gonna get one of each one. Okay, I'm excited now. Dried meat bars. Look how big that is. Like, they say everything's bigger in Texas, but like, is this really necessary? I think I won $20. That was a lot of scratching. Took like 5 minutes. So it's about 6:30 a.m. and I was really impressed by Austin's traffic this early. Like, it wasn't too bad. The drive to the Magnolia Cafe was very smooth. This place is 1 year younger than me, so it was started in 1988 on South Congress, where this location was. They're open 24 hours a day, and I gotta say, this is some pretty legit food. Scrambled eggs on top of an English muffin with avocado and cheese and home fries. I came to Austin because I was trying to, well, I wanted to like create a job, I guess you could say. So I was gonna pick up some equipment that would shoot a lot higher quality video than the cameras that I own, which comes with some responsibility. And I didn't really have a plan for it. But what really came out of the trip so far was just like cooking burgers and hanging out with my buddy. See, the people that we grow up with, there's like, I want to call it an unconditional love, which is like a really kind of strange way to describe a male friendship, but that's what it is. It's being there and friends with somebody just because they're your friend and it's what you do, because you enjoy each other's company for no other reason. And as we grow up and move around, the people that we meet, everything becomes conditional. Like, why are we becoming friends? What can they get out of us? Like, developing a true friendship takes time. Anyways, it was just really great to hang out, and like, I got my head kind of cleared up. I don't think I need all that equipment. We're still going out to shoot something cool because there's no jobs right now. And that unconditional love, like just needing somebody there to be your friend and like support you whatever you do, and not try to cut you down and make you feel like shit so that they can be in charge or control you or get you to do something that they want you to do. Why do we have to act that way? Anyway, it's just some thoughts. And Magnolia Cafe, it's kind of a famous spot, so if you come to Austin, you gotta try it at least once, especially at like 3 a.m., which it's not right now. Turned it off on the previous shot. See what the dynamic range is. That's the flagship Yeti store on the corner of Congress and Barton Springs. They've been around for 10 years. Made it. As many times as I've been to Austin, I'd never flown the drone through downtown, and I like that shot a lot. I just wish it was a better